Hello, today we will guide you through how to add negative keywords in Google Ads. Negative keywords are an important part of managing your campaigns because they help prevent your ads from showing on searches that are not relevant to your business. That means you can improve targeting, reduce wasted spend, and make your campaign traffic more qualified. To begin, open Google Ads and go to the overview page for your account. This is your main dashboard where you can access campaign settings and performance tools. Once you're on the overview screen, look to the navigation menu on the left-hand side and click on Campaigns. This will take you into the area where you can manage the specific campaign settings related to ad delivery, keywords, and targeting. Next, in the left side menu, click on Audiences, Keywords, and Content. This section groups together several targeting and optimization tools, so if you're trying to control when and where your ads appear, this is the right place to be. After that, click on Keywords. Inside this section, you'll be able to manage both the keywords you want to target and the ones you want to exclude. Now select Negative Keywords. This is the dedicated area for blocking unwanted search terms. If your ads are being triggered by irrelevant phrases, this is where you can fix that. To add a new negative keyword, click the blue plus button. This opens the setup window where you can begin entering the terms you do not want your ads to match with. From here, follow the on-screen procedure. Google Ads will guide you through the available options, such as choosing whether the negative keyword should apply at the campaign level or within a specific ad group. Take a moment to review the settings carefully so the exclusions are applied in the right place. This is especially helpful if some search terms are irrelevant to one campaign, but still useful in another. When you've entered your negative keywords and confirmed the settings, click Save. This will apply your changes and update your campaign targeting. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to review your negative keywords regularly, especially after checking your search terms report. Doing this helps keep your campaigns efficient over time and makes sure your budget is focused on the searches most likely to convert. And that's how to add negative keywords in Google Ads.